I'm working on removing the thin set from the concrete. So I'm up to Harbor Freight, picked up a 7-inch diamond turbo cup wheel. And got it bolted on the grinder here. You can see it's just a flat surface to it. I've tried a couple of things on this. I've tried one of the backer pads with the abrasive front, and it's working okay. It's just slow. Tried one of the, the ceramic flap disc. It's working pretty good too. It'll be good to just finish it off, but you can see it's wearing down a lot of it, and I need to go through, you know, maybe 5 or 6 of those to get through it, which at 20 bucks a piece is getting pretty pricey. So I picked this up. It's about 50 bucks. I have to learn how to use it a little bit. I'll pick some spots that aren't going to be seen, but let's cut it up and see what we end up with. So I may be a little mumbled, but I've got my dust mask on. You can see here, this thing's probably 15-20 minutes in, and it's just eating this this thin set. Now it is cutting down into just the top layer. There's a few scuff marks there, so I may have to go back and just tidy that up once I get it all cleaned up. But there was some glue on here too. It's taking that off, and then when I'm done I can just reseal the whole floor. So it's definitely making short work of what I need to get done. Mid-floor grinding. Got the fan running, it's making a better noise. But I started grinding away at the thin set that was here, and what it did is it took the sealer and everything else off. So once I got to that point, it was just time to make a decision to clean off all the areas up here that are going to be visible, and we'll reseal it. The back part I don't have to do because there's no issues back there. So one thing that will help out is, sorry, I'm just reading through a mask here. Is this part right here, whatever they had here kind of really roughened up the surface. So as I grind across it, it's going to smooth that back out again, and it's going to really make it work pretty good and look good. So I got this piece done here, which is the center walkway. I just got to do that piece there from this strip right down here. Probably be another half hour. And then over here, it's actually a bulkhead will sit here. And then this last machine should come up to somewhere right about here and just be along the edge of that. So this part over here, once I move this out a little bit and clean it up, I don't think I'm going to do that. It'll create a nice stopping line here. If I do that, I'm looking at another 8 feet and then down to there. So really I'm getting kind of worn out. So we're just going to finish this off, get it all cleaned up again, and then they're going to come in and dig the trench on Monday, and I'll just see how it all looks. But I think that's what I'll do. We'll just reseal this whole front piece and we seal the trench, and we should look good.